Most help desks start with a big promise that they'll give you control and visibility. But once your team starts using them, you realize what's really happening. You're buried in tabs, trapped in rigid workflows, and spending weeks just getting the setup right. Instead of helping customers, your agents are managing the tool. Hiver was built to fix that. It's a modern, AI-powered customer service platform that brings all your channels together in one clean workspace. It keeps ownership obvious, gives everyone the same context, and takes care of repetitive work automatically with AI. The end result is simple. Your team moves faster, feels more in control, and can focus on actually helping customers instead of managing systems. On the left side of your screen, you can see every channel your team manages: email, live chat, WhatsApp, voice, and social. Everything sits together. You can jump between them instantly without losing context, and your whole team stays on the same page. That means faster responses and fewer mistakes. One queue, one view, shared context. You can switch fast without losing the thread, and nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's go into a shared inbox. Here's the unassigned view. This is where all new customer messages land, and everyone on the team can see them. From here, you can open any message, assign it to the right person, and add a tag like billing or bug to keep things organized and make reporting easier. If you need input from another teammate, just leave a note inside the thread. It's private to your team, so the customer never sees it. Now, I'll start a reply. If I want someone else to review it before sending, I'll use share drafts. That way, another agent can jump in and edit directly within the same thread. This keeps communication open, ownership clear, and collaboration effortless. Once you've got all your communication centralized, Hiver's AI starts making a real difference. It's built into the platform, so you don't need to install anything or configure complex rules. It simply helps your team do their work faster and more accurately. Here's what that looks like in action. AI Sentiment automatically detects tone in every message. AI Extract identifies key information like order IDs, account numbers, or device types, and fills them into fields automatically. No one has to copy and paste details. AI tagging categorizes each message by topic or intent, keeping reports organized and ensuring tickets go to the right person. Then there's AI Copilot. This is the feature agents will probably use every day. Ask AI pulls answers from your help center, standard operating procedures, and past conversations. Suggested answers creates an on-brand reply based on context, so you just need to review and send. AI Compose can take short bullet points and turn them into a complete, well-written message, or you can ask it to rewrite something to make it shorter or friendlier. And AI Summarize gives you a quick recap of long threads, highlighting what's already been covered and what still needs attention. There's also AI QA, which reviews conversations and gives quality scores for things like tone, professionalism, and personalization. That means managers can quickly spot where an agent might need coaching without reading every ticket manually. And with AI Insights, you'll see clear patterns inside your reports. Things like common topics driving volume, hours or days when replies slow down, tags linked to low CSAT, and accounts showing churn risk. Hiver's live chat is built right into the same workspace, so you don't have to juggle separate apps or windows. Agents can handle multiple chats at once, and every chat shows who's currently responsible for it. You can use templates for quick answers, or ask AI Copilot to help with tone or phrasing when you need to make a message sound more natural. It keeps your replies quick, consistent, and on-brand, even during busy hours. Hiver's workflow automation features take productivity to the next level, essential for any growing support team. These tools let you create simple, if this then that rules that handle repetitive actions automatically, ensuring consistency and freeing your team from routine tasks. At the center of this system is auto-assignment. Instead of managers manually delegating every incoming email, Hiver intelligently routes tickets to the right person based on predefined logic. This smart routing means every ticket lands where it belongs, instantly. Then there's autoresponder. It automatically sends personalized acknowledgments, adjusting tone and content based on context. When teams don't share clear reply and resolution targets, work turns into guesswork. Some tickets sit too long. Urgent keeps changing, and you only notice misses after a customer chases. Hiver fixes this with SLA that are simple to set and easy to follow. Define first response and resolution targets for each team or channel. Set business hours and time zones, and choose when to warn the team before a breach. From there, timers and alerts run in the background so everyone knows what's due next. After making sure your team's meeting targets, the next step is measuring how customers actually feel. A lot of companies use external tools for surveys, but that usually breaks context. You see a rating, but not the conversation behind it. Hiver keeps feedback right where the work happens. CSAT surveys trigger automatically after a conversation ends, and every response links directly back to the original ticket. You can see which tag, channel, or agent it came from. That means you understand exactly what went right or wrong, without any guesswork. Hiver gives you powerful, real-time insights into everything happening across your support channels. You can track how many tickets are coming in, measure response and resolution times, and monitor CSAT scores, all from one dashboard. Managers can see workload distribution across agents to plan staffing better and identify bottlenecks early. You can also create custom reports to track the metrics that matter most to your team, like how different issue types are trending, or how quickly certain tags are being resolved. And because the dashboards update live, you don't have to wait for exports or scheduled reports. Every support team uses multiple tools, one for communication, one for tasks, and another for customer data. The problem is, these tools rarely talk to each other. That's where things fall through the cracks. Hiver connects all those systems, so everything stays in sync. From any conversation, agents can view Salesforce account and opportunity details and log a case so sales and support stay in sync. Pull live invoice info from NetSuite to answer billing questions on the spot. And create or link a Jira issue for bugs, with status flowing back into Hiver so support can keep customers updated without switching tools. This way, your agents don't have to switch tabs, copy data, or update multiple systems. Everything happens from one place, and all your tools stay connected in the background. When you strip away the noise, customer service comes down to something simple, and that's people helping people. The right platform should make that easier, not harder. That's what Hiver does. It brings every channel together in one place, makes collaboration feel natural, and uses AI to remove the clutter that slows teams down. Setup takes minutes, not months. Training isn't a project. Instead, it's instinctive. Hiver helps support teams get back to what they actually care about, solving problems quickly and making customers feel heard. Try Hiver for free using the link in the description below.